Alright guys, so I'm testing out my new setup that I got going. I got a GoPro Hero 13 with a DJI mic mini. So just doing some testing and seeing how it sounds and everything. The lady is out making some dinner, so I'm just gonna go for a quick little ride. I got the mic like right next to my right cheek, so we'll see how it sounds with the mask, or not the mask, the visor up and the visor down. Alright, that costed me $7.52. Not bad, not bad. Alright. No receipt. Let's see what we are out of here. Oh my God. Oh my God, that is like the first time I have ever popped a fucking wheelie. Holy shit. You know what? I might be able to fucking learn how to wheelie this shit. It wasn't even that bad. You know how sometimes when you like do stuff and it like, you feel it in your stomach, like your stomach drops or something? I didn't even get that. So I think at some point when I hit dirt, I'm gonna try to fucking wheelie. Because that almost felt too easy. And I'm riding my, what is it? My Honda 2025 CRF450RL. And this bike, I weigh about 260 pounds. The bike weighs about like 300 or something like that, less than 300 pounds. And honestly, it's got a lot of torque. And for it to pick me up the way it did just now was amazing. Imagine if I would have just whiskey throttled it. That would have been so fucking funny. It would have hurt like hell, but that would have been funny, especially on the GoPro. Fuck. And I like showing my mistakes, so I would have definitely showed it, posted it online. In between two cars, both of them kind of took off at the same time as I did, so one of them would have probably ran me over. But anyway, it's Friday, 8:25 p.m. And again, I'm just waiting for my lady to finish making dinner, so having some tacos tonight. Again, we had tacos last night, but they're so good. I gotta have tacos every day. I don't know about tacos with the same meat every day, but tacos with, like, for instance, asada, then al pastor, probably some tripas, I don't know, some shit, you know, but I could eat them every day. I used to kind of feel that way about pizza when I was like a teenager. I used to eat fucking pizza all the time, but not anymore. It's getting kind of getting kind of chilly in this area here. Over by my house is definitely a lot warmer. But I also got to remember, man, it's not summer anymore, you know? It's starting to cool down, so I'm gonna have to get some new riding gear, maybe some sweaters with some padding in them and stuff. Hey, you know what? I'm just gonna go up to Las Positas. Fuck it. Ooh, nice little pop there. This bike has got fucking, what do you call it? It backfires a little bit, and I guess it's not supposed to do that. But, I don't know, I kind of like the way it sounds. A nice little pop. I guess it goes away with the tune and, yeah, with the tune, do a little exhaust, which is what I'm gonna do eventually. They said with the tune you get a lot more power, and of course, I don't know, the exhaust, I can use a little bit of noise, but this, honestly, it like sounds good. I just don't want it to be super obnoxious, you know, because once it's obnoxious, it's like, oh, my neighbors are gonna start complaining, and I don't know, my audio might not come out as good, but who knows? This is why I'm kind of testing out the whole new system of the DJI Mic Mini with the GoPro. So we'll see how that goes. I also forgot to check what setting my camera was on. I think it's like on hyper zoom or something like that. Either way, this is all for testing and to see how it looks. The other night I went on a little ride, and I ended up going straight from here, and I ended up catching the next street. Well, that led me to a taco truck, and you know, I lost the battle. I had to stop by even though my lady was making dinner and sneak in a couple tacos, because why not? The guy rung his bike bell at me. I honked at him when I saw him. I like messing with these guys every once in a while. The guys on the electric bikes, it's like, dude, those things are so fucking fast nowadays. I was cruising on my bike, and I like went through the street just hauling ass, come up to a fucking red light, and these two kids are on their e-bikes just ripping it, dude. And I'm like, I passed you guys a while ago, you know? In my head, I'm like saying that. I passed these guys a while ago. And these kids, man, god dang, they just rip. They go so fast on those things. It's scary. But, oh, that's just the way it goes, man. These kids are just gnarly. But again, I couldn't imagine if I had one of those when I was a kid, dude. I'd be a fucking menace on that thing. Hopefully another car comes. Yeah, there's a few cars that are coming up next to me, because these red lights on a motorcycle, dude, the sensors or whatever it is that causes the light to go green, it takes forever. be a little extra careful tonight because it's Friday and people like to get faded early and don't want to get clapped, you know what I mean? The street is all fucked up, man. Damn. We're gonna take a little bit of some back roads up here. Hopefully I got enough time before my lady calls me. She says, dinner is ready. Totally ran that light, a little dangerous, but there was nobody coming. Come back soon, she says. Okay. She must have some tacos ready for me. God dang, I kind of want to try to wheelie again, but I don't want to fucking crash my bike. You know? I don't want to whiskey throttle it and totally just crash it. So I'll probably do it the first time that I go hit some dirt. I'll probably buy some knee pads and yeah, I'll probably get some knee pads and try it, because I know if you fall it's gonna be on your knees, you know what I mean? And I already got bad knees as it is from skateboarding, so last thing I need to not be able to do is walk, as that is what I do at work. I walk a lot. I'm trying to be home soon, honey. I'm just behind a slow poke. Get a little fatigued. And it's because I kind of like squeeze onto the handlebar a little bit too much, but yeah, I know. It is what it is. Take a little shortcut over here to get home faster, because I know my lady, she's gonna be calling me here pretty soon. Hey, the food's ready, where are ya? Sorry honey, I'm out having fun. Alright, what is this person doing? Some of these folks are like crazy unpredictable, man. The other day I was like riding and I gave this dude like enough space, and this guy like all of a sudden just like slammed on his brake, and I was like, dude, and he like turned into a driveway. I was like, dude, if I wasn't this far away from him and cautious about it, I would have totally ran into his ass if I was any closer, you know? But that's why I almost try to like ride like towards the center of the lane, because if I need to go around his ass, I can. Of course, being safe that there's nobody coming from the other direction. God damn, this bike has got a lot of power. I like it. And I'm not like a light guy, you know what I mean? I weigh like what did I say, 260, 255, 260, right around there. So this thing's just got a ton of torque. And I love it. It just sounds so good. Burp. Just hear that thing just rip, dude. Here is my shortcut. I will be going through here. Thank you very much. Ugh. I used to actually live back here back in the day. My brother had a donkey. My older brother, his name was Nacho. Yeah, you can hear him at like 6 o'clock in the fucking morning. Like, Nacho, shut your ass up, boy. I'd go out there and feed him carrots every once in a while. Well, daily, but you know, feed him at least one carrot. Sorry, lady. Ooh, there goes my bike with a little bit of some backfire. Ooh. I've noticed it's like a car, you know, you just give it, like, you barely tap the gas and it'll give you a little pop. Alright guys, so I'm gonna end up checking out the audio here and seeing how it sounds, and if it sounds good, then we'll be doing some more moto vlogs with audio. And if it don't sound good, then we'll still be doing just some moto videos with the chest mount. I got a chin mount too, so I'm kind of working with both right now. I'm doing the chest mount just to seeing how it goes, because that's all I know right now before I get my chin mount fitted and figuring out what works best with that. So anyhow, thanks for coming along with me, and we'll see you on the next ride.